Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hendrianto. In this channel, I will talk about tips and tricks for using UiPath and other automation tools, and then I will talk about all about automation. So if you're interested in this channel, maybe you can subscribe. Okay, in this video, I will show you tips when dealing with Excel data with UiPath. Okay, let me share my screen real quick. Okay, in this here, I have an example Excel file. So in this Excel file, I want to process my data. I like my number, my item, price, quantity. So let's say this total, I want to get this total. So the total is price times my quantity. So in the first one, let's think the total wasn't there. And I want to process with my robot, which is I'm using UiPath. So we can solve this by using for each data in data table. Let me show you real quick. Like read range is what you need first. You need the use workbook because this one can be a lot faster, and then you can go to example in here, my example files. My sheet name is sheet 1 in here, and then output, I want to create my data table. You can use Ctrl K and data. Okay, my data, and then I can use for each row in data table and my data row. So make it quite simple. And then because you wanna get the total, first thing you need to do is add data column first, and then the data table is data. The column name you want to add is total. Okay, and then it's integer, I think. Okay, in this you wanna assign the total. So row dot item total is row dot item. I want to get my quantity and my price times quantity. So in this one, you should be, let me zoom it so you can see it better. So price times row dot item quantity, which is KTY, like quantity and price. So because we need it is integers, so I think we can use cent open bracket and close bracket, and then so what cnt will do, it will convert your data into an integer one. So and then we can save them in my total, which is that is the type of integers. So after that, I can use write range to write my data total. My sheet name, I think I want result, and then data, and then the path I think is the same one, so I just copy it and then I pass in this one. So okay, so what this activities or this robot will do, it will read my data and then add a column totals, and then it will process for each row. So it will process one by one until 200 data. until here, and then it will write my result into a new sheet. So first thing, you need to close your workbook first. So let me close it. So I want to save this, and then you want to run the robot. So it will done in, let's see, 1 second. Okay, that's really fast. The result, and then you will get this. Sorry, I forgot, you need to add headers, and that will do if you had 200 data, which is that's a really quick. But let's say, what if you have about like 1,000 data and around like 10,000 data? It will be different. It will be take a little bit longer than with the. So I will give you a tips when processing this kind of data, or you can say it as an alternative when you have a large of data, like say 1,000 data or 10,000 data, who knows, like, so you can use these tips when you processing your Excel data. So it's kind of same with this one, but let me open this one real quick. Okay, so we back with our data. Let me pin this. Okay, let me pin this one. So you want to open your Excel, and then in your UiPath you just use Excel process scope, so you can find you. Okay, find your Excel, and then you can use this one. First, you want to add your header, so you can write cell in the sheet one. Okay, total, and then you want to see in E1, and then you can use write cell. Don't forget to rename it header total, and then in this one you can call it formula, because what I'm going to show you, you can use formula and you write it in E2. You can use formula to write into your Excel, and I think it will be a lot faster when you deals with a large of files or many data. So this one I want to call it, or you can write in here. Let's say I want to get your total, so it's equals to C2 times D2. So that's what you want to type in here. It's C2 times, so let me see, times D. Okay, you can write this, and then after that, what should you do? Okay, sorry, I'm asking. So after this, you need to like autofill. You want to file this comment? Yes, this one, autofill range, and then you put it in here. So what this will do, it will autofill, like autofill the range, or it will auto the formula, and then you will get, okay, you will autofill the range that you want. So the first thing you need to configure is source. Where is the source of this formula? Because we write it in E2, so the source should be E2. And then where do you want to autofill the E2 or the formula? Because I want it in E2 until the end of this range, so I just write it in E2 until, so how many rows is that? Until E201. So you can do it like this. What this will do, it will autofill range until from E2 or your formula until 201. But what if, let's say, you don't know how many it will have? Maybe first step you can read the range first, and then you can get the row counts, and then you can manipulate this and write with your data into string, and then you will get the total. All the last row will be 1. Maybe you can do that too. So in this one, I'll just show you how to do this. Maybe I come out in the next video, so stay tuned. Okay, after this, now you just wanna close this one, and then you run it. So well wait, okay, then see, okay, takes 3 seconds to open it. It's faster because in this one we only have a little bit data. So but when you deal with a large kind of data, like there's a lot of data, I will suggest you to use these tips, or I will suggest you to use this word formula and autofill, because it's a lot faster. Trust me. Maybe you want to try, it's up to you. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna share to you today. Okay, yep, that's the tips that you can use when you process a large kind of data. Yeah, hopefully this will help you. And if you have any question, or have you used any of this, maybe you can share with me in your comment, and I get back to you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Share to your friend if you think this will help you. See you in the next video. Bye.